Good morning guys. Welcome back to the channel. Today is a day of preparation. We have some serious weather heading our way. Tropical cyclone number 2 by the name Bonnie, and Trinidad is under an orange alert. So this morning I am out here trying to get things prepared in preparation for this storm. I will do the best I can here in the garden. There's not much I can do there, but one of the things that I want to do is harvest that huge pumpkin that you see, that you saw in the last vlog. I want to harvest that pumpkin because that will surely snap off the vine with the strong winds, because they're saying that we will have 70 kilometers per hour, 70 km winds. That's pretty strong, guys. So with that weight of that pumpkin, that's definitely going to snap off of the vine. So I'm going to harvest that, as well as get my pets ready, get all my pots and trays, seedling trays, and all the little itty bitty stuff from the yard put up, as well as get sandbags ready in preparation for flooding in the streets, so that we'll be ready for those things. Long morning, guys. I gotta get right to it. So I'm gonna take an old shower curtain I have. My chicken coop is well ventilated, and if the rain circles and comes from the west, the chicken coop would definitely get wet on the inside, and I don't want that. So I'm using an old shower curtain that I have, hoping to keep as much rain off the chickens, because chickens don't like to be wet. It's actually not good for them. So I'm gonna get right to that. Look at the size of this. Oh guys, I got bad news. This thing is heavy. It's rotten. There are critters in it. The chickens are going to get that. Free fodder, I guess. Free chicken feed. Okay guys, so as you can see, no, you can't see. Finished with all my prep, and I had a bit of a disappointing morning, especially with my pumpkin. It just goes to show that when you have too little rain, it's a problem in the garden, and when it's too much rain, that too can be a bummer. It could really cause your fruits to take in extra water and cause them to rot prematurely. So that's what happened with that huge pumpkin. I'm still trying to get over it, but that's that. I wasn't even able to save any for the chickens. I just put all of it into the compost. It reeked, it stunk. So I'd rather not give them something and they get sick. So I put that in the compost. I move all my little pots and plants, and I put down the table. Anything that the winds can pick up, I try to put away. And all there is to do now is to sit and wait, see what happens. So this is a shot before the storm. My prayer is that it remains the same, and that, oh wow, and that no one loses their roofs, mine's included. So the clouds are rolling in now, but still a few hours before we should see any substantial rainfall or winds. They say it's supposed to hit around 8 p.m. this evening, so most likely it will be dark. So and that's the worst time, because you know, if there's debris flying around and you have to dash for safety, you can't see what's coming at you. So that's it guys, until later. I'll add some clips as to when the storm is going on. I'll add some clips when the storm is in motion, when it has hit, and all the best. I hope that Barbados, the Lesser Antilles, you guys, that you made it through, because this video is most likely going to come out after the storm has passed. So I hope you guys are still safe and that you didn't have too much damage to your property. Alright then guys, hang in there.